Staring at two different views on your window ledge. Coffee has gone cold, it's like time froze. There you go, vision floating down our vision well. It's like I'm always causing problems, causing hell. I didn't mean to put your fruit, as I can tell. We're gonna sweep it under the carpet. I hope that I can turn back the time to make it all alright for us. Promise to build a new world for us two, with you in the middle. La da 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 da.